Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel the World. So you're finally going to, or returning to, a vacation to Italy and Greece. Fantastic. As part of your plan on what to see and what to eat and what to do, what to experience in Italy and Greece, don't forget, you gotta plan what to pack and how to pack. Remember, in many cities in Italy and Greece, the roads are not smooth, they're cobblestone, which can make trying to drag a huge suitcase very rough and inconvenient, and many pensions and B&Bs and hotels do not have elevators. So if you're staying above the ground floor, you've got to drag those large bulky suitcases up the flight of stairs yourself. So while you have visions of grandeur on seeing the Vatican, the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, those blue domed churches on the Greek islands, I've got a question for you. What will you pack? And how will you pack it? If at all possible, we strongly recommend, Nancy and I, that you plan to bring only carry-on luggage. A carry-on suitcase, yes, on rollers, and a travel bag. For the 2 weeks, we did a combination of hand washing in the sinks in our hotel rooms in Rome and in Athens. And we did take advantage of the laundry service aboard our celebrity cruise ship. We'll actually have a video on that so you can judge for yourself if it's worth spending the money. Here, everything on the bed has to be packed into a travel backpack and a travel carry-on. So let's go through and see exactly what I need to pack in those carry-ons. Let's begin and let's take inventory first, and then I'll do the packing. We'll see the results. I think this is going to work out, but I don't know until I try it. And that's it. So all of this has to fit within the carry-on suitcase and a travel backpack. Let's see how we do. All right, so let's see how the packing goes. And I'm gonna fast forward here and there, maybe cut out some stuff or maybe have a second thought of where to pack things. But let's go and let's see how this works. But you even have on the side here these clips that, if I need to, I can even make this shrink down even more. All right, backpack's done. Let's see what else I need to put in the suitcase. So then everything else needs to fit in there. Is it gonna work? I don't know. I've got the 5 dry fit t-shirts. Those there. I have the 3 pairs of polo shirts. Put them there. And then have gym shorts and gym shirt. Right there. And the 3 pairs of long sleeve travel shirts and the 1 pair of, gotta have my Aloha shirt. No matter where I go. There. And lower that. Put that there. Top will go the laundry bag. These I can tighten. And there we go. Got everything in the carry-on. What do you think? How'd I do? What did I miss packing? Too late now because we've come back from the trip by the time you see this, but in the comments, what do you think? What did I forget? What other ideas do you have for packing for 2 weeks in Italy and in Greece, just with carry-on? Lastly, as part of the planning for your adults only or seniors or multi-generational trip to Italy or Greece, we do strongly recommend that you consider purchasing some pre-arranged tours and car services. Here's a video summarizing for you the pre-arranged car services and tours that we experienced during our 4 days in Rome. Here is a video critiquing each of them for you on their usefulness, if we recommend them for you, if we recommend that particular tour guide for you, or if you should avoid it. So, why don't you go ahead and watch that video now to help you with your planning for your own Italy travel adventure.